Got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency.
Интересно, что это так бумкнуло? Не мог же я один наделать столько шуму?
Come on. Come on.
It's the final brain cell.
Here's the bill for the vet today. Not really sure how you're going to pay that one. You do actually live.
Oh no, I hope I don't fall.
Can't no hoe tell me shit, cause bitch I'm the shit. Oh my mom and my sis had to kick my own blood.
My happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
My happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like,
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't.
Тебе не кажется, что туфельки какие-то, ну, слишком открытые получились? А? Берта? Нормально? Нравится тебе? Ну и хорошо.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed.
see me rolling. They hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty. Trying to catch me riding dirty. Trying to catch me riding dirty. Trying to catch me riding.